Friends, are you aware of the important terms and conditions of your health insurance? What does it cover, what it does not cover, and what are the important points to be checked before buying an health insurance? All this in today's video, so don't miss it. The first point is co-payment. Co-payment means out of your total insurance premium, a small portion like 15 to 20% the insurance company will pay and balance 80 to 85% of the premium you will have to pay. Example, if you take a policy for rupees 10 lakhs and the premium comes to 10,000 rupees and if there is a co-payment clause of 20%, then your premium outgo will be 8,000 rupees and balance 2,000 rupees insurance company will pay. You might think that this is good since your premium becomes less. But here's the catch, friends. Suppose if you get hospitalized and your hospital bill comes to say 5 lakhs, then in that case insurance company will pay only 80%, which is 4 lakhs, and 1 lakh you will have to pay from your pocket. So always say no to co-payment and pay that extra 10 to 20% of the premium. Claim settlement ratio. This is a very important ratio, friends, which you must check before taking health insurance from any insurance company. CSR, claim settlement ratio, means total claims settled out of the total claims received by the insurance company. Example, if the CSR is 95%, then it means that out of 100 claims received by the company, 95 claims were settled. And higher this ratio, the better it is. So select only those insurance companies whose claim settlement ratio is higher than 90%. And this information is easily available in many websites online. I will tell in the end the website which I use for checking this information. Friends, lot of policies put a cap on the hospital room rent. It can be like up to rupees 5,000 only, or only 10,000, or single room with or without AC, etc. blah blah blah. And if you take a room while getting admitted in the hospital which is more than your insurance policy limit, then in that case the insurance company will pay only 50% of the amount, or sometimes even less than that, all those things. So make sure that the policy which you are taking has a higher limit on the room rent, okay, or whatever you need based on your requirement. It can be like 10,000 rupees room rent, 20,000 room rent, or with AC, private room, etc. Whatever you want it, ensure that you take that policy. An insurance agent tells you that I will give you rupees 10 lakhs policy for just 5,000 rupees instead of 10,000, and you wonder how is it possible? It is possible that there are disease-wise sublimits within the policy which the agent has not told you. Example, out of 10 lakhs, cardio-related diseases have limit of only 4 lakhs. Ortho-related diseases, right, bones, it is only 3 lakhs, and balance all other diseases are 3 lakh rupees. So if you are admitted to the hospital for any heart-related diseases and the bill comes to 6 lakhs, the insurance company will pay only 4 lakhs because that is a maximum cap on cardio diseases. And the balance 2 lakhs you will have to pay from your own pocket since there is a disease-wise sublimits. So while taking a health insurance policy, ensure that there are no disease-wise sublimits. Most of the times, friends, before getting admitted, properly into the hospital, the doctor would have told you to conduct lot of tests like X-ray, blood pressure, blood test, blah blah blah, all those things. And the results of those tests are serious, then the doctor will tell you to get admitted into the hospital. So in such a case, expenses which you incur before getting admitted into the hospital are called pre-hospitalization charges. And if they are covered in your policy, great, the insurance company will pay you. Okay. If not, you will have to pay from your own pocket. Okay. Similarly, post-hospitalization charges, friends. There are a lot of tests which the hospital tells you to conduct after your discharge from the hospital. So ensure that the insurance policy which you take covers pre and post-hospitalization charges. Restoration benefit. Let me explain this to you with the help of a simple example. Okay, friends. So you have a policy for 10 lakh rupees and in 1 year you got admitted into the hospital and the bill came to 6 lakh rupees. And the insurance company paid all the money for you, you are happy, fine, you don't have to pay anything from your pocket. But again, after some 3 to 4 months, you get some other medical issue and now you are worried that this time, if you get admitted into the hospital, you can claim insurance for only balance amount, which is 10 minus 6, 4 lakhs. And any amount over and above that, you have to pay from your own pocket. But wait friends, that's why you should take a policy which has restoration benefit. In case of restoration benefit, what happens is, in a year you can claim insurance amount for 10 lakh rupees any number of times. First time example, you got admitted into the hospital, bill value was 6 lakhs, insurance company paid 6 lakhs. Second time, same year, you got admitted into the hospital, bill value was again 6 lakhs, totally now 12 lakhs. No worries, insurance company will pay 6 lakhs again to you. So, some policies have unlimited times restoration benefit and some policies have limited times restoration benefit. You can choose whichever you want, but do ensure that you take the policy which has restoration benefit. You will have to pay a little extra premium for this, but this is worth the benefit friends, believe me. When you buy a new insurance policy, all policies will have a waiting period ranging from 1 to 4 years for pre-existing diseases and 1 to 2 years for some specific diseases like hernia, tumor, etc. Now waiting period is unavoidable friends. All companies have this. Only thing which you can do is to go for a policy which has the least waiting period. Example, suppose you take Star Health Insurance and it has a 3-year waiting period for pre-existing diseases, and HDFC Ergo has only 2 years for that same disease, okay, pre-existing diseases. Then HDFC is better. Also, one important thing is to ensure that you have to be truthful and declare all the diseases whatever you have to the company instead of hiding from it. Because later if you are admitted into the hospital and it is found that you had this disease before itself, then your entire claim will get rejected. Sometimes friends, you might get admitted to hospital for some surgery or operation and within 24 hours, you would have also got discharged. Example like cataract operation, appendicitis, etc. And you are very happy that you got discharged within 24 hours and you have an insurance policy also. But wait, does your policy cover daycare treatments? If yes, great. If not, then you have to bear everything out of your own pocket. So ensure that you take a policy which covers daycare treatments. Daycare treatments are those wherein you are admitted in hospital for less than 24 hours. Okay friends, so these are the important points which has to be kept in mind before taking or while taking an health insurance. Okay, apart from this, there are other points also, also that is, check the hospital network of the insurance company, that they have having a coverage of lot of hospitals, so the hospital network should be high. And so compare the hospital network of one insurance company with other. Again this is available in many online websites. Check for no claim bonus available in the policy, and take a plan for your entire family including your parents or at least you and your spouse, which is called a floater plan, because the premiums are less by 10 to 15% in case of group plan or floater plan than a standalone plan. Okay, also there are tax benefits of taking health insurance, which I don't have to tell you, you all know this. And friends, the important thing is I got to know all these things now only friends, just now when my health insurance came for renewal, and I got it done through Ditto. Okay, this is the company, the aggregator, and I have given link in the description to their website. They provide all the clarity and explained me in detail all these things to me, over call, and also suggested a good policy for me based on my requirements. Okay, and this is not any paid promotion. I sincerely recommend Ditto to you. You can check for yourself and you can get all these things. It is from them, how I came to know about all this information. So that's all for today friends. I hope now you know the points to keep in mind while taking health insurance policy, and do share this video to your friends and help Combrella in spreading financial literacy. This is C.S.Karthik signing off. Thank you.